What is a conversion kit? Most AWE exhaust products come in two variants: a Touring Edition, which in most cases features AWE's patented drone-canceling 180 technology resonators, and then our Track Edition, which usually consists of a straight pipe section and tends to be a bit more rowdy in and out of the cabin. Instead of buying an exhaust and feeling stuck with your choice, we specifically designed our exhaust to be modular to allow drivers the choice of converting between our two offerings if you ever want to change it up in the future. Say you go with the Track Edition and want to take advantage of AWE's drone-canceling 180 technology because you want your interior volume to be a bit more comfortable on the highway. No sweat, simply switch to a Touring Edition via the Track to Touring conversion kit. Alternatively, say you choose the Touring Edition but want your interior and exterior volume to be a bit louder. No worries there either, just transform the exhaust to a Track Edition via the Touring to Track conversion kit. Regardless of which route you take, conversion kits bolt right onto the existing AWE exhaust components, and the remaining parts, in this case tips and tip outlets, are transferred over. It's simple, effective, and reassuring to know you're never stuck when aspects of your life may change. As always, even with conversion kits, our AWE lifetime warranty, no check and delay, and perfect fitment guarantees come standard.